In search of a hero, GoPro delivers again with the Hero 10 Black. Welcome back to another Techstination interview. I'm Fred Fishkin, and joining us from GoPro is Senior Manager for Product and Lifestyle Communications, Karlee Prazak. Great to see you, Karlee.
Hi, Fred. Thank you for having us today. And I know that title's a mouthful, but hopefully I can share some good stuff with you about GoPro today.
I'm sure you can. Well, the team at GoPro has been hard at work bringing some brand new technology into this flagship camera. Give us an overview, first off, of what's new and different here, the highlights.
Yeah, so we have been hard at work on the Hero 10 Black camera. As you can see here, it kind of looks a lot like the Hero 9, but we've got the new cyan blue logo on the front, but it's really what's under the hood that we've been really hard at work on the last couple of years. So Hero 10 Black is going to bring double the frame rate, higher resolution, maxing out at 5.3K 60. It's cloud connected, so you can do auto upload to the cloud with a GoPro subscription. And most importantly, it introduces the GP2 chip, which has unlocked a slew of new features for the camera.
Now, well, tell us more about this new GP2 chip, the processor in here, how much more powerful it is, what your users are going to want to know.
Yeah, so this is the first time we've stepped up since we introduced the GP1 in 2017 with Hero 6. And GP2 is kind of starting a whole new chapter for GoPro. What you're getting are those faster, higher frame rates, the higher resolutions. You're also getting a much snappier camera. So the interface, you'll notice, is very responsive, and everything powering on, starting video, capturing a photo, all of it across the board just happens a little bit quicker, which is something that we're really excited to introduce to our users. GP2 also allowed us to expand our hypersmooth stabilization, the in-camera stabilization, up to hypersmooth 4.0 now. And what that means is it comes to more high performance modes. And we also have horizon leveling with a tilt limit now up to 45 degrees in some of our key high performance settings.
Are there changes in the user interface as well?
You know, the user interface, what you'll see is it mimics a smartphone in a sense a little bit more. So it's a lot more intuitive for the user, but you'll still feel, you know, like you're navigating a GoPro. If you've had a Hero 8, Hero 9, you'll recognize the Hero 10 really well.
What about the uploading that you mentioned? Is the processor playing a role there too, making that faster?
Yeah, so with GP2, our wireless transfers to the Quick app on your mobile phone. They're actually up to 30% faster. And we've now been able to introduce a wired offload option as well, which makes it up to 50% faster. So anyone that's out there in the field, they're really, really going to be happy with Hero 10 Black and getting the footage onto their phones, sharing it right away, editing it, you know, just kind of getting that preview while you're still out there.
Yeah, because the app, what you have enables people to do a lot of editing out in the field, right?
Man, Quick has been huge for us this year. We're so excited to be seeing such a success with the Quick app. And with Hero 10 Black, if you get the GoPro subscription, you unlock everything within the Quick app, which means that you're getting premium editing tools. You're getting that auto upload to the cloud that I mentioned earlier, which essentially means that you get home from a day of activity, you plug your camera into charge, it recognizes your home Wi-Fi network, and you know, a little bit later you go back and all of your content is on the cloud waiting for you to review.
Well, you talked a little bit about this, but after all, this is all about the results, video and stills. That's what it's about. So what are fans going to really notice here?
Okay, so GoPro is known for video. We're looking at 5.3K 60 video with just insane image quality. Really, I'll say what GP2 has done as well has allowed us to unlock some of the most natural, lifelike, realistic imaging that we've ever seen. We previously had local tone mapping. It's not in just photo. It's now introduced into video, and you'll really see that resonated in the image quality. We also, you know, we're introducing a lot more slow-mo capabilities. So you have 4K video at up to 120 frames per second. So 4 times slow-mo, and 2.7K and up to 240. So that's 8 times slow-mo, which is just, you know, it's incredible when you want that cinematic video quality.
And of course, when people think GoPro, they're thinking, you know, all kinds of adventures, whatever they want to do in the outdoors, be using. But it can also be used inside too. In fact, I think you're using one now as a webcam.
It's true, I am. So you can definitely use GoPro as a webcam, definitely use Hero 10 Black as a webcam, but something new for your at-home kind of users, we do have live streaming, and with Hero 10 Black, you can actually live stream with Hypersmooth 4.0 capabilities. So you'll see if you're kind of, something running around the backyard with the kids, live streaming that, I don't know. I've heard some really interesting use cases of soccer practice being live streamed throughout kind of COVID. And you'll see Hypersmooth resonated in that live stream now, which is really incredible and really fun. And it introduces a whole new way to kind of immerse your viewers into what you're doing.
And I got to say, I love the adventure aspects of it, but putting one of these on a toddler or a pet unleashes all kinds of fun.
Totally. It definitely does. I think there's a video that I can share with you where we've got a golden retriever running through a park, and you show the video mounted on the golden retriever and you almost want to look away because it's so shaky, and then you turn Hypersmooth on and you can't help but watch because it's just so smooth.
Excellent. So tell us about pricing and availability. This is a little pricier than the last model, right?
Yep. So we're looking at $399 with an included 1-year GoPro subscription. So you're getting a little bit of perk if you want to join our subscription platform. MSRP, you're looking at $499.
And describe for us what the subscription brings to users, what a subscription typically costs, and what the advantages are.
Yeah, so the subscription, you're looking at $499 a month or $49.99 a year. And what you're really unlocking is a total access to the GoPro platforms, like kind of an ecosystem, if you will. And what you're seeing is you're getting auto upload to the cloud. You're having unlimited access to all the quick editing tools. You are getting damaged camera replacement. And you're also getting $100 off on 3 cameras a year, in addition to 40 to 50% off a lot of our mounts and accessories. And that also includes our lifestyle gear. So if you want to rock a GoPro t-shirt, backpack, something like that, we have you covered there as well.
Sounds like a kind of a no-brainer. Why would you not get a subscription? But that's just my way of thinking, right? So tell us
agree.
the availability. Is it right now?
Right now. So you can go on GoPro.com starting September 16th and have full access to getting a Hero 10 Black. It's also available in select retail stores. So, go out, get it today. And if you do, we are running the $1 Million Challenge again. So what that means is we are asking our community to actually create a highlight reel for us and submit their best clips to GoPro.com/$1 Million Challenge to be considered to win an equal cut of $1 million.
Excellent. Has anybody counted how many GoPros have been sold since the beginning?
Since the beginning? I don't think so. I don't know that number.
It's big. I know that. Terrific.
It is, especially now that we're at Hero 10.
Right. So the website again is GoPro.com. Karlee Prazak, thank you so much for taking the time with us.
Thanks, Fred.
Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand, without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.